ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன்லாம் கொடுக்காம அந்த அழகு பொம்மையை மேலே கூப்பிட்டுலாமா? கூப்பிட்டுலாம். Yes, can we have Mehreen ma'am onto the stage, please? A big round of applause for our Mehreen ma'am. என்னடா ஸ்டேஜ் ஏறதுக்குள்ள ஐ லவ் யூன்றீங்க? பார்த்து 2 minutes தானே பாச்சு. ஹாய் அண்ணா மைக்.
Vanakkam Chennai. Okay, love you too. Thank you.
Okay, so very happy that you are a part of Indra. How did the script actually get into you? Like, how were you pulled into the script?
I was sitting at home in Bombay and I get this call from Sabri sir, and the narration happened in that phone call, and it wasn't like a proper narration. He just told me his vision and my character Kayal, and it was an instant yes. I was like I because his confidence just made me feel so like confident about this film. And when you actually watch Indra, you would not know that he's a debut director, because he was just so sure about everything. And I think all of us, we have just performed whatever his vision was, and it's come out beautifully.
Okay, முதல் கால்லே வந்து அவங்க ஓகே சொல்லிட்டாங்க, வேற எந்த ஒரு கேள்விலாம் இல்லாம. And she's very happy to have worked with you in fact. So Kayala நாங்களும் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப ஆவலா இருக்கோம், because that's a different shade for you in the film, right? From the films that you've played. And how was it acting with Vasant sir?
Yes, correct. It is a very different genre that I have done. It's a thriller, and it was actually like when you watch this movie, you'll actually be sitting on the edge of your seats. That I can promise you. Even while shooting, we kept feeling that. And Kayal is a character which is very close to my heart. I think after Honey, because Honey is the best, after that one character which is nothing like Honey but something
Totally out of contrast.
check. Yeah. So Kayal is very close to my heart, and I'm very excited for all of you to watch this film. And working with Vasant, it has been amazing. I want to really thank him for helping me from my dialogues to so yeah, he was really helping me with my dialogue delivery, because with Tamil, after Patas, this is my second film, so it's been a long wait. So, but after this, I promise you, I'm going to get better with my Tamil. And he is such a natural actor. And acting is all about reacting. So everything that you see, what Kayal is, I think it's all thanks to how Indra was with me on screen. That I think the reaction just came out so naturally. And I really want to thank the producers. It's so good to work with Sunil Garu again. We worked in a few films in Telugu, but it was such a pleasure to, to work with my fellow Telugu here. I would consider myself, since, I have worked in a couple of movies there. And even what I have seen, how he has performed in this movie, it is something I have never seen before. I was just telling him before we got here, and he's a phenomenal actor. I want to thank the producers, the music director Ajmal. I think he has killed it. And please do watch our film on 22nd August. Sure, how much we enjoyed working on this project. You are going to enjoy like maybe twice the amount watching this film in theaters.
Thank you so much. So, நீங்க சொன்னதுல we understood how good friends you and Vasant are. Can you just share us one good memory from the entire shooting experience of Indra?
One good memory.
That can be funny also.
There are lots of them. So he is a very quiet person. So the first few days, because I'm so talkative, so for me, because the film was like it was quite serious, and you know the whole Sabri sir was constantly always working. So for me, I had no one to talk to, and I love talking. And Indra is so much like in his, you know, Vasant talks very less, he's very measured. But I think by the third, fourth day, I think I troubled him so much to talk to me that, you know, it just, and he introduced me to Starbucks. So he has coffee every day. And then one day I don't have coffee. So one day he asked me, he's like, oh, would you like to try this? Because I would see him drinking coffee twice a day. So I was like, okay, sure. So yeah, one memory, and ever since I've become addicted to that particular coffee. Yeah, since the start of the movie to now, I just had a cup before I got here.
ஓகே, ஒரு காஃபியில் நல்ல ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஆக்சுவலி இட் ஃபீல்ஸ் ரியலி நைஸ் டு see you both sit there and talk like you're all good friends, and the good memories that you share will be cherished for your lifetime. So yes, take back the good memories.
Yes.
And cherish it forever.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Lots of love to all.
Yes, மெஹரினுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய கைத்தட்டல் கொடுத்துடலாம். Lots of love from Tamil Nadu. Thank you. Hi sir.